Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, you will need one thing, which is the SIM eject tool. So you can see right here, they come provided in the box, so you can get it from there. And if you can't find it, you can use something like a paper clip, like this one, just straighten it out so it fits in there. So you can push out the tray. Now the tray is located on the left side, so somewhere right here, as you will see. And what you want to do is just push it in there, where you have the little hole for it. So okay, there we go. And you'll see that it just popped out a little bit. So all you need to do is just now pull it all the way out, like so. And as you can see, you have space for either two SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. So I'm gonna show how two SIMs would go in. So one would go with the cutout on the bottom right corner, like this, and then you would put another one right here. So it would go like this with the cutout on the top left corner, and then you can actually put the SD card in here as well. Just look, okay, there we go. And make sure that both of them are laying flush, as you can see. And from there, all you need to do is just slide it back into the device. So let me just hold it securely and start sliding it in, like so. And there's the pin for the SIM card, so let me just put it in, like so. And that's the SIM card, and SD card should be good as well. So there it is, SanDisk SD card, so there it is. So as you can see, both of them are working fine, and that is how you insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.